What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow Prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to do the big spin. Let's get into it. So the big spin is a combination of a shove it and a drop knee 360. Now, before attempting the big spin, you need to make sure that you not only have your drop knee 360s down, but that you also have your shove it's down as well. So you want to start off by carving across the wave, and whenever you're ready, you're going to use your outer hand into the water to help start your momentum of that initial drop knee 360. And it's going to be at the very beginning of the rotation that you ever so slightly pop up for that shove it. Now, if I had to, the big spin is actually one of my personal favorites, especially when you start to add them into combos. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And since you're still here, might as well show some more love and hit that bell-shaped icon. That's the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.